Budget mirrorless cameras have never been this good. In 2025, you can now grab a high-quality camera that captures stunning images and videos, all without breaking the bank. But the best pick really depends on your style. So let's break down the 5 best value cameras this year based on price, performance, and purpose. Number 1. Best for beginners. Sony A6000. For around $300, you get a compact, travel-friendly camera with a 24-megapixel APS-C sensor. And while other brands are still using the same resolution today, the A6000 delivers this beautifully nostalgic, almost film-like quality right out of the box. It shoots RAW in 12-bit, fires at 11 frames per second, and offers reliable autofocus for everyday use. Now, the video performance isn't great, but for photography, it's a gem. And yes, it uses Sony's E-mount, which gives you access to a massive lens library. Just a heads up, the battery life is not amazing, so keep a spare handy. But for under $300, it's one of the easiest ways to fall in love with photography. Number 2. Best hybrid starter, Canon M50. Mark 1. Now, for around $350, you've got another solid choice, the Canon M50 Mark I. I own it and love it. It's light, compact, and beginner-friendly. The side flip touchscreen is fully touch-enabled, making it feel like a smartphone upgrade. It has a 24-megapixel APS-C sensor, Canon's legendary color science, and shoots 14-bit RAW files for rich, editable photos. For video, you get 1080p up to 60 fps and 720p at 120 fps for slow motion. Yes, it shoots 4K, but there's a crop and the autofocus is slower in that mode. Still, for vlogging, lifestyle content, or casual travel shooting, the M50 is a rock-solid hybrid pick. Number 3. Best budget for filmmakers, Panasonic Lumix GH5. For serious video creators, finding a solid sub-500 camera is tough, but the Lumix GH5 might just be the answer. It has a 20-megapixel Micro Four Thirds sensor and shoots gorgeous 4K in 10-bit color with up to 400 megabits per second bit rate. That's studio-level performance. It even supports anamorphic shooting and open gate mode, perfect for cinematic reels or social media. There's also amazing in-body stabilization that makes handheld footage feel gimbal smooth. The catch? Autofocus is a bit slow, especially for fast action. But if you're cool going manual, or if you're into real filmmaking, this camera punches way above its price. Number 4. Best all-around modern pick, Canon R50. Now, if you want something new that can do a bit of everything, meet the Canon R50. It's one of the most well-rounded hybrid cameras on the market right now for around $550 used or $750 new. It's sleek, easy to use, and comes with a super intuitive auto mode. It shoots 4K 30 frames per second with zero crop and has eye detect autofocus for people, animals, and vehicles. Plus, it connects directly to your phone and can be controlled remotely, perfect for creators on the go. With Canon's signature skin tones, 14-bit RAW, 10-bit HDR video, and slow motion at 120 frames per second in full HD, it's everything a beginner or intermediate creator could want, all in one. Number 5. Best value. Overall, Sony ZV-E10 and A6400. Now for my personal favorites, the Sony ZV-E10 and Sony A6400. They share the same 24-megapixel sensor, superb low-light capabilities, and blazing fast autofocus. The ZV-E10 is built for video and vlogging. It has a flip screen, solid built-in mic, and a lightweight design. The A6400 is a more traditional mirrorless body, great for photographers who want a viewfinder and flash. Both shoot 4K from a 6K downsampled sensor, include slow motion, and have profiles like S-Log for cinematic color grading. They don't shoot 10-bit video like the Canon R50, but they're still incredible for content creation. And if you want the most bang for your buck, these two are hard to beat. So whether you're a casual shooter, a hybrid creator, or a future filmmaker, there's a mirrorless camera out there for you in 2025, without breaking the bank. I've included the best pricing and deals down in the description, so check them out if you're ready to upgrade your gear. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more camera reviews and creative gear guides. Catch you in the next one. Peace.